So for my second segment, talking about bickering and arguing between mom and dad, say Sarah and Frank, I think I would have my session go a little bit like this. So mom is expressing that she feels overwhelmed with household duties and taking care of everyone. So I'd be sure to address that with mom and really support her and show her empathy, just so she knows that I hear her. So I would approach it as, I hear what you're saying, Sarah. That could be a lot. Just really working full time, taking care of all the kids, taking care of all the household duties. It's a lot. It could be really overwhelming for somebody. During this time, I noticed Frank roll his eyes and his body language is completely uninterested. So I think I would redirect the conversation to Frank and ask him on his views so we could really start the communication process between Sarah and Frank. Frank, while Sarah was talking, I noticed a little bit of maybe agitation. I noticed you roll your eyes, get a little tense with your body language. You really have yet to say anything in session. I am interested to hear what your view is of what home looks like and what maybe you're looking more of. Um, I think that could really start making a conversation between Sarah and Frank and letting me be the voice to help them build a better communication between one another and start to um, understand the boundaries between them as well.